Guys, welcome to our workout. So this is beginner friendly 10 exercise, 20 seconds work, 10 seconds rest, plus warm up tayo sa umpisa. So sabayan niyo po kami. Ready? 3, 2, stretching muna tayo. And stretch your arms, big circles. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, reverse. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, open, close. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Next, trunk twisting. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, grab your legs. Stretch ng onte. 3, 2, 1. Other side. Shake your arms. Hip rotation ng onte. 15 seconds. Okay, position. First workout natin is so jog forward and back. Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1, go. Yes. So this is beginner friendly, guys, ha. Hindi siya ganun kahirap. Woo, let's go. Okay, 10 seconds rest. Inhale, exhale. Next natin. 1 and 2. 1 and 2. 2, 1, go. Forward. Let's go. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Let's go. Woo. Let's go. 4, 3, 2. Okay, relax. Next natin is stationary march. Chest one. Swing your arms, then bring your knees up. Start right. 3, 2, 1, go. Swing, then up. Let's go. Swing it up. Move your arms. Let's go. Let's go. Okay. Okay, rest. Next is in-outs run, okay? So put your hands like this for balance. Let's go. Move. Move. Let's go. Woo. Inhale, exhale. Okay, next. Put your hands like this, then 1, 2. Like this. Then right side muna. 1. Down lang. Let's go. Let's go. Woo. 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 And nice one. Next is imaginary skip rope. Okay. Go. Ten seconds. Okay, next. 1, then up. Okay. One side muna. 1, then up. Reach, then 1. Good. Let's go. 15 seconds. Come on. Let's go, guys. Woo. Okay, other side. 1. Go. 1, then up. Let's go, guys. Okay, relax. Next natin, basic jumping jacks. Kunti na lang to. Go. Dahan-dahan lang. Okay, last. Last natin, high knees. Okay, pero kahit di ganun kataas. Okay, go last. Come on, guys. Let's go. Ooh. 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 Nice one. So yun guys, thank you for watching. Kung nabitin kayo, play nyo pa siya ng isa or check nyo yung ibang videos namin yung mas mahaba. Maraming salamat sa pagsubaybay and see you on the next video. Bye-bye. Okay. Ito. Nakaganto kami. Nakaganito ka. Dito. Atras ka ng konti. Tingin ka dito. Hindi, atras ka konti. Ganito ka. Tingin ka sa taas. 1, 2, 3. Yun. Beginners